Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've all had a great week. So I am doing this easy centipede makeup look in today's video. Like I said in my last week's video and my one before that, I'm taking it back to basics this year. I am just making things really easy and simple for you guys, and these looks are perfect for beginners as well, even for those of you who have never touched makeup. And I'm also going to give you a lot of Halloween tips and tricks, and also just some fun makeup tips in general that will help you guys out to really make your looks look amazing and really elevate your makeup looks. So this centipede look is literally done using a charger, okay? You guys might look at this look and be like, that still looks a little bit tricky. No it is not. I literally stamped this on using my iPhone charger, and it's probably bung now, so I'm probably gonna have to get a new one from Kmart, but whatever. But I literally press this into paint and press it down, and then I just freehanded some lines, and it's as easy as that. Popped in some contacts, bam, you've got a really cool makeup look in under 10 minutes. So yeah, I really hope you guys like these makeup looks. I know I've been doing really crazy, creative, complicated makeup looks over the last few years, and I've really reflected, and I'm like, well, not everyone can do looks like that. Even if I have a tutorial out on them, it might scare off some people into attempting them. And I think I was just wanting to show my art and show everyone what I could do, and really you know, put a lot of effort in to challenge myself and really like give people the shock factor. But then it made me think, I was like, well, not everyone can do that. I need to do really basic looks, because sometimes basic is effective, and basic sometimes can stand out more so than crazy creative looks. So yeah, this is easy, and more likely people are going to do something that's easy and really fast to do, especially if you're on a time crunch and you've got a Halloween party and you've literally got an hour to get ready. What are you going to do? You're going to whip on an outfit, do your hair, and do something basic. And I see a lot of people do basic looks, and it still looks just as cool. So hopefully you like this. By the way, this is not my original idea. I did see this online on Instagram. I do not know who the original creator is, so if you guys do know who the original creator is, just let me know down below in the comments, and I will leave them in the description if we do find out who the original creator is. But so many people have done this, it kind of oversaturates it, and then you don't know who's kind of created this idea. So I'm all about crediting the artist. So whoever did this cool look with the charger, you are amazing, and you are so talented and intelligent, because I would have never thought to do that until I saw your video. So anyway, if you guys like this look and you want to see more basic Halloween makeup ideas, then give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I upload every Monday at 8 AM New Zealand time, and YouTube shorts every day. By the way, we are against a white background today, so it's a little bit different in today's video, because I actually have a stand here. So if you see a little black thing here on the side, it is my tripod, and I'm filming for TikTok and Instagram at the same time. I thought I'd hit two birds with one stone and film twice. So I'm actually filming two videos right now, so I needed this white backdrop, because this is a backdrop I use in all of my TikTok and Instagram videos. So kind of cool though. I think it kind of limits distraction and just makes it a little bit more crisp, and you know, you focus on what I'm doing. So yeah, I hope you like the background, and if you do like it more for Halloween looks, just let me know down below in the comments as well. And if you have any recommendations you want me to film, if you have anything that you'd love me to do, love me to recreate and do a tutorial on, let me know down below in the comments as well, because I recreate everything you guys tell me to recreate. Also, I just want to come on here and show you what this look looks like with the black contact lenses. I just put these in, and I knew they were going to look better because it kind of suits like the bug kind of theme, because I have big black eyes like this with the shines. So I should have put these in for the look, I reckon. But I just wanted to quickly come on here and show you what it looks like with these, and these make it look even more creepy. I think this suits the look even better. So yeah, I wanted to come on here and show you, and this looks cool. Love it so much. So these are really hard to get in your eyes. These are the big Silicera contact lenses. I don't know how you say that. I think it's how you say that, but it took me years to be able to get these in. I have found a good technique though. You literally lift your eyelid, like fold it in half, then put it up in your eyelid, then like touch your eyeball, drag it up, pull the lower lid down, and then let it sit down. So that's the best technique that I have discovered. But yeah, this looks cool. So if you guys want it to be even creepier, add these contacts in. So yeah, So anyway, if you want to get this cool, creepy centipede makeup look, then just keep on watching.
Okay, so you want to take a charger. This is an iPhone charger, the USB one, but you can use any shape charger that you want, and I bend it into place because it works as a stamp. This is from Tag, this body paint, and I got it from bodyfx.co.nz. So I dip that paint into some water and onto a flat brush. I just get these brushes from Warehouse Stationery. That's the cheapest place to get them from. And then I just stamp it on. So literally it's as easy as that. And I keep putting paint on the iPhone charger because after every stamp this will wear away. So as you can see here, I just stamp it on and then take it back to my brush to add on more paint and stamp it on. And I want to go from the forehead down through my nose and down to my jawline, because yeah, that's just the best placement. It's right in the center of the face. And this was just so easy. It's literally a no-brainer. Just keep adding paint, stamping it on, and this charger is perfect. And this is super easy. This look is for beginners as well. If you've never touched makeup, anyone can do this, just stamping some paint on your charger and dabbing it on. And I did see a girl on Instagram do this, and a few others do this. So I don't know who the original creator is. So if you do know, then let me know down below in the comments, because so many people create videos and then you just don't know who the original is anymore. So I use a MAC lipstick and paint the top of the lipstick and use this as a stamp. You don't even have to draw a circle, guys. You just stamp it on with the lipstick. And I decide to colour in these little sections. At first I use a big brush and then I just used a really small brush. I was going to go from dark to more faded to like nothing, like a faded kind of centipede look, but I just noticed that it was looking best once I just filled in all of these segments in black, so I end up doing that with the paint later. So now I'm doing the little antennas on top of the centipede face, so I just draw them on and then I do two more little parts of the body at the end, and then I freehand the legs. So this is probably the hardest part of the look, but it's pretty easy. You just draw some lines, so you can look at photos of a centipede online if you want, but I just going to do a straight line up and a straight line down, and I just end up flicking the end of those lines so it doesn't look so like harsh. And yeah, this is super easy. What are you guys going to be for Halloween this year? I want to know. Are you guys going to do something easy? Are you going to do something basic? I don't know what I'm doing for Halloween. It's always such a mission to decide what to do, especially after the end of every year. I usually do my favorite look that I've done that year for Halloween. So yeah, we're going to do that. Anyway, as you can see here, I'm doing the little flicks at the end of the body, and I am just filling in these segments after I put on this eyeshadow around my eyes. So I'm just darkening up the eyes. I thought it suited the whole vibe of the look. We're just taking some black eyeshadow and then I'm just fixing that wing that I have going on. And now I'm taking these contact lenses from Body FX. They have a second website now called lensfx.co.nz, so this is where you can get all their contact lenses. These are called Naiji Hyuga or something like that. And they look pretty trippy, as I must say so myself. And I'm just putting on the black in this body, as you can see here, because it just looked odd. I think it looked so much better when I filled it in with black paint. As you can see here, it just stands out so much. And here's the finished look. I'm honestly obsessed, and I really like how this turned out.
Okay guys, so that was the end of the centipede makeup tutorial, and I hope you guys can see how easy that was using an iPhone charger, some black paint, and literally just some contacts and some black eyeliner. I really like this look. I think it looks really cool, really effective. It's creepy, but it's glam at the same time. It's eye-catching as well. I think it's really eye-catching, and it looks super cool with these contact lenses. These are from Body FX. They now have a second website called lensfx.co.nz. I do not know if I have a discount code for that website, but for Body FX I know I do, and I hope it's active. So if you do use it, let me know if it is active. So it's just Alicia, in capital letters, Alicia, and that's going to get you 15% off. And you can get everything that I use in today's video at Body FX. So Yay. And also just quickly reminding you how this look looks like with the black contact lenses as well, because I think it looks so cool. I kind of like it better with the black contact lenses. I think it looks even more creepy. Just goes to show what contact lenses can do for each look, and every set of contact lenses can change up your look in such different ways. So yeah, love these. I just want to quickly show you and remind you what it looked like with these ones. So anyway, I hope you guys like these videos and you are liking the more basic, easy to achieve makeup looks. I think I am. They are much faster to do anyway, and they're more simple to edit as well, so it's really good for me and my workload. But I think it's very cool for people to attempt these simple looks. So like this video if you did, and subscribe to my channel. Like I said in the intro, I upload every Monday at 8 AM New Zealand time and YouTube shorts every day. I love you all, and I will see you guys in my next week's video. Bye!